everybody, it's Renee here from Create and Play with Renee. I am just bringing you a short, fast video to tell you about the Chuckie tool I made. You're probably wondering, if you don't watch Gina K videos, what is a Chuckie tool? This is it. I'm going to show you a little bit more in detail, but it is a pressure tool to put pressure on your stamps when you're using your MISTI or you're just using your clear block to make sure that every bit of your stamp is actually pushed down and on your paper. So I'm going to show you a close-up look of how this works. So this is my version of the Chuckie. I just painted it, so I've got white paint on my hand. This is the bottom side. It actually screws apart, but I'm not going to screw it apart for now. I went to Home Depot and it's very easy to simple to make. I bought the top of this, and really both pieces of this were in the staircase area. So this is the top of a banister, a railing, and this is also a piece from that area. They were right next to each other actually. So I got both pieces. My husband drilled a hole in here and then pounded in the piece that you would need, which cost 60 cents, and then screwed this in. I painted it just using my Fresco Finish chalk paint. And the bottom piece is some purple velveteen paper. So I used my E6000, spread that on with a popsicle stick, and as I spread it, to make sure I got all the areas, I pushed it down and then added more adhesive and then kept pushing it down. So this works great. If you've got your stamp mount or your MISTI, you put your down, you just burnish this as hard as you can over top of that, and it gets every last bit of your stamp in. So you don't have to keep going over it or re-inking. This works great. And again, if you've never seen one before, check out Gina K's videos. She recommended it. She calls hers a Chuckie. You can call it whatever you want. This fits great in your hand. You could also use a round circular ball if you wanted to, but I found this works great. I recommend trying this. It works awesome and very easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the feed, hit that bell notification, and check out all my platforms, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or my blog. Thanks for watching, crafters, and have a great day.